Putin's avatar went to see one of the newly built flats in Mariupol, but something went wrong.
Спасибо вам за победу. Вам держать.
Можете пройти посмотреть, если желание.
Да.
Комнаты, если хотите. Удобно.
Мы даже не верили, что мы в этом году получим.
Пройдите, вот кухня. Это все покупали, все голые стены были. Только...
Заходите, вон можете полюбоваться.
Ой, ну да, потолок, да.
And previously, we clearly saw a man wearing a mask instead of Putin. People who do not know history is forced to repeat it. Photo 1. Hitler in occupied Mariupol. Photo 2. Putin in occupied Mariupol. Russians report that Russian commander of platoon of patrol service in Novokakhovka was blown up. He died on spot. His wife, head of Novokakhovka Department of Internal Affairs, was injured. IED was planted under a car. Explosion occurred in Uvalene, Kherson region. Ukrainian forces have conducted successful localized counterattacks in recent days south of Bakhmut, around the T-0504 road, pushing Russian forces back and taking back captured positions. Heaviest fighting continues as Russian forces attempt to recapture the initiative in the area. Defense and reinforcements for Bakhmut getting tougher and stronger every day. Coming few days won't be easy for the Russians in Bakhmut. They have already suffered heavy losses, and after all these massive Ukrainian reinforcements, it's game over for them in Bakhmut. And for the end, RM-70 giving hell to Russians in the Bakhmut direction.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.